Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean hair, no oils or heavy products. That helps gel hold. Apply a pea-sized amount to your finger or a small brush, not a glob. You want control. Work from the outer edge toward the center, using short, deliberate strokes. Once done, comb the gel through into the desired pattern, then pause to assess symmetry. Make sure to keep pressure light. Heavy rubbing disrupts the pattern and wastes product. Now you sculpt. Pick a direction and follow it consistently so the style reads clean. Use short strokes to lay baby hairs in a natural swoop. You're designing, not painting. Once the shape is established, lightly smooth with a toothbrush or boar brush. This blends edges and removes excess gel. If you need stronger hold, add thin layers, letting each set for 15 to 30 seconds. Layering gives structure without stiffness, and it prevents flaking later. Finish by sealing the style. Lay a scarf or silk wrap over your edges and hold for 5 to 10 minutes. This sets the gel and boosts longevity. Once removed, check for transfer. If the gel smudges, allow extra drying time or mist a light hairspray at arm's length to lock it. If you see flakes or stiffness, remove with oil-based cleanser and restart using less product. Often, less gel applied in controlled layers gives the cleanest, longest-lasting result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.